Hi, welcome dear student to second video of chapter 3rd. Today I am going to discuss the topic types of viruses. Previous class I explained what is virus and what is the causes of virus. Okay, so now let us start with different types of computer viruses. First one, resident virus. What is resident virus? The resident virus stays permanently in the primary memory. Primary memory, that is RAM, random access memory of the computer. Okay. So when we start the computer, it becomes active and corrupts the file and program running on the computer. Okay, so it interrupts all the operations executed by the system. And example of the resident virus, that is the Randex, CMJ, MAV and McClunky, the examples of the resident virus. So this virus stays permanently in the primary memory of the computer. The next one is the program or files virus. What is a program or file virus? This type of virus infects the system by appending itself to the end of a file. Means it destroys or alters programs and data. Okay, it infects executable file such as .exe, bin, bindy file, com and sys files. It infects the executable file, the programs com file, bin and sys file, and it also alters the program, destroys or alters the program. Just to and example of the program files virus, that is Sunday and Cascade. Third one is the boot sector virus. What is a boot sector virus? And boot sector virus or it alters the boot sector program stored in the hard disk or any other storage devices, okay, such as floppy disks. It replaces the boot sector program with its own malicious version. It infects the computer only when it is used to boot up the computer. So it also destroys or alter programs and data. It infects the boot sector on the hard drive and floppy disk. When the operating system boot sector, that is when operating system, we start the operating system, sub usable files folder, boot, okay, put up the files, okay, and boot sector program stored in the hard disk or any the storage device. Okay, now third one is the multi-party. What is the multi-party virus and how it spreads the multi-party virus? So multi-party, as it is clear from its name, multi-party virus spreads and infect the multiple ways, and it infect both boot sector and the executable files. Okay, so you can say this is a hybrid of a program and boot sector virus. Okay, so it destroys or alter programs and data. So example of the boot sector virus, that is the disk clear and multipart invader flip. Example of multipart virus, that is the invader flip and tequila. So multipart virus destroy or alter programs and data, similar to the boot sector destroy or alter programs and data. Okay. Next one is the macro virus. What is a macro virus? It alters or infect the macros of a document or a data file. So commonly affects it commonly affect the Word or Excel file. No? So it triggers on the command in a Microsoft Office. Micro virus. An example of the microvirus, that is DMV, nuclear, word concepts. All these are the example of micro viruses. Next one is a stealth virus. What is a stealth virus? So this is also similar to the virus. It also destroys, alter programs and data. It is a hidden computer virus. It is a hidden computer virus which specifically attacks operating system processes. Okay. So it usually hides itself in partitions, files, or boot sector, and is capable of going unnoticed during antivirus or anti-malware scans. That is, it can avoid detection intentionally. Okay, so it uses various tactics to avoid detection, and example of this one is Frodo Joshi Web. Frodo Joshi Web. Next one is the polymorphic virus. What is a polymorphic virus? Uh, Polymorphic virus uses encryption to file detection so that it appears differently in each infection. Okay. So polymorphic virus, it creates its thousands of copies itself. In each copy, it changes the sequence and byte values to evade detection by antivirus software. Okay. Even the best antiviruses may not be able to detect this virus. Polymorphic virus also affect data type and functions, and generally spreads through spam. Okay, spams, infected sites, and while using other malware. And example of the polymorphic, that is the involuntary, accumulate, cascade, phoenix, and evil proud, and virus 101 is the example of polymorphic virus. Another one is the email virus. Okay. So as it is clear from its name, email virus, it how can it spreads? An email virus consists of malicious code that is distributed in email messages, and it can be activated when a user clicks on a link in an email message, opens a link attachment, or interacts with some of the other way with the infected emails. So only then we should not try to open an unknown email and the link. Okay, so it is better to click a link which is uh, click a link authenticated mail should be open, and avoid such type of spams. Okay, to avoid the email viruses. So if the recipient opens the email attachment, the word macro activated there. Okay, and example of this one is the Melissa, I love you, lovebug. Is all these are the examples of email viruses. And it spreads only with the opening of the attachment in the email. Okay, so be cautious while accessing the email, and don't try to open the unauthorized emails and also unauthorized links. So hope you understood the different types of computer virus. Thanks for watching.